नमस्कार, मैं हूँ प्रशस्ति तिवारी। आप देख रहे हैं दैनिक द टाइम्स न्यूज चैनल। चलते हैं आज की खास खबर की ओर।
Into a developed and prosperous Tripura by the centenary of independence.
एक तो हमारा लक्ष्य है 2047 हिंदुस्तान विकसित होना ही चाहिए, नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज। आजादी के 100 साल हम ऐसे ही नहीं बिताएंगे। आजादी के 100 साल ऐसे मनाएंगे कि दुनिया में विकसित भारत का झंडा फहर सकेगा। अगर 25-30 करोड़ लोग संकल्पबद्ध होकर के 20 साल 25 साल के भीतर अंग्रेजों को यहां से निकाल सकते हैं, तो आने वाले 25 साल में 140 करोड़ लोग विकसित भारत बना भी सकते हैं।
As mandated by NITI Aayog and under the guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister, Professor Dr. Manik Saha, the vision for Viksit Tripura has been shaped through dedicated consultation with every department and other stakeholders. The mission is simple yet profound, to build an Unnato and Srishto future-ready Tripura, which would ensure inclusive, secure, prosperous and healthy future for the people of the state, including women, children and youth in harmony with the environment. Tripura's journey of growth has already set strong foundations. Over the last 12 years, the state's gross state domestic product has grown significantly, even bouncing back strongly after the global COVID pandemic. Per capita income has risen by 58% in just 5 years, narrowing the gap with the national average. With sustainability as its compass, Tripura's Sustainable Development Index now stands at par with the nation. The path to develop Tripura by 2047 has been crafted on the strengths of Tripura, which lies in its diversity and resources. Its strong agricultural base, rich tourism potential, thriving forest economy, energy surplus, high literacy, improved infrastructure, and its strategic location with 84% of its border shared with Bangladesh. The roadmap for Viksit Tripura 2047 rests on 3 strong pillars: unleashing the state's full economic potential, empowering citizens by enhancing quality of life, and ensuring sustainable, resilient growth. By 2047, Tripura envisions a 1,038,000 crore rupees economy. Per capita income is set to rise from rupees 1,98,378 in 2024 to rupees 19,85,376. In Viksit Tripura, use of renewable energy will be more than 90%, literacy will touch 100%, urbanization will grow, life expectancy will rise to 84 years, dense forest cover will expand, manufacturing will thrive, and unemployment will fall to less than 1%. This is not just a roadmap, it is a promise of a prosperous tomorrow, of a self-reliant Tripura, of a Viksit Bharat. Together, with vision and determination, we march forward towards 2047, towards a brighter, stronger, and more developed Tripura.